Number 8, we have Liam Livingston, English all-rounder. And we can open here at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore for Liam Livingston. At 2 crore now, opening bid is with RCB. Anybody else raising them? At 2 crore currently, Royal Challengers Bengaluru bid for Liam Livingston at 2. Are we all through? At 220, thank you, say SRH. At 2 crore 20, ahead of you, RCB. At 3 crore 80, thank you. Hyderabad, 4 crore is back with RCB. 5 crore Delhi. 525 RCB. 8 crore, thank you Chennai. 825, say RCB. So the player will stay with the Royal Challengers Bengaluru at 8 crore and 75 lakh will be the latest player in the Bengaluru squad. Well done, 8 crore and 75 lakh. Thank you. Next player up is number 31. This is Phil Salt. And let's open here again at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, any opening bids? At 2 crore, thank you RCB. 220 to 40, say Mumbai. For 60. With RCB, for 80 goes back to KKR. At 8 crore, 75 lakh. Any more from RCB? All done? 925, say KKR. Thank you. At 925. RCB says 11 crore. At 11 crore now. Straight back from RCB. At 11 crore and 50 lakh. All done. At 11 crore 50. Last chance for anybody else in the room as well. And selling then to the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Going once. Going twice. RCB, it's yours at 11 crore 50. Thank you so much. Our next player up is going to be, this is Jitesh Sharma, number 32, Indian wicketkeeper. 1 crore, do we have any bids coming in? At 1 crore, do I see any bids in the room at all? Thank you, CSK. At 1 crore, I have up front. Chennai Super Kings comes in at 1. At 3 crore 60, 380, Lucknow comes back. At 380, 4 crore is Delhi. Sure, Delhi takes a second. 525 it is. 7 crore for RCB. At 7 crore then it's with the Royal Challengers, all through, all done, and selling if everybody's completely sure. Going once, going twice, and selling RCB at 7 crore. We do have a RTM option.
Be sure
RTM.
life goes on.
11 crore say RCB. No, they say no. The player stays with RCB at 7 crore. Jitesh Sharma, newest member of Royal Challengers Bengaluru, sold. Sorry, 11 crore. My mistake. So sorry, 11. Player number 1 in this section is going to be number 35. This is Josh Hazelwood, the Australian fast bowler. Thank you, LSG comes in right away at 2. 220 goes to Kolkata. At 220 now, Kolkata ahead of you. 240 is LSG. 5 crore, KKR, 525 LSG. 650 KKR. 675 Lucknow. At 10.25, I see with Mumbai now. At 10.25, 10.50 back to RCB. 10.75 for the Mumbai Indians. 12.25 Mumbai. 12.50 RCB. Going once, going twice, and selling to RCB at 12 crore 50. It's yours at 12 crore 50 lakhs. Thank you so much, RCB. First up is number 70. This is Rasit Dar. At 35 lakh now SRH, 40 lakh is RCB, 45 lakh is SRH, 90 for RCB, 95 for SRH, 160 RCB, 170 Hyderabad, 180 Challengers. At 2 crore, all through and selling, last chance, fair warning, going once and twice and selling then for you, Royal Challengers at 2 crore. There is an RTM option for Delhi Capitals. Would you like to execute? Yes, you would. And the price is 6 crore. Delhi Capitals, how does that sound to you? Okay, no, you will not execute your right to match option. So the player will stay. Rasik Dar stays with RCB at 6 crore. Sold RCB. Thank you so much. Our first player up is going to be number 80. This is Suyash Sharma. At 35 from RCB now. At 35 lakh ahead of you, Delhi. RCB at 35. 40 for Delhi. 65 goes back to RCB. 70 lakh goes to Mumbai Indians. RCB says 110. 1 crore 90. 2 crore comes back to Mumbai. 240. Mumbai comes back at 240. Ahead of you with Mumbai at 240. 260 for RCB. I will sell to the Royal Challengers Bangalore if we're all completely sure at 2 crore and 60 lakh and selling last chance at 2 crore and 60 lakh. It's yours, Bangalore, at 2 crore and 60 lakh. Thank you so much. Our next player up, this is number 94. We have Krunal Pandya. Thank you so much. RCB comes in at 2 crore. 260 for you, sir. Thank you. With the Royals now at 260. At 260, 280 goes back to RCB. 380 for the Royals. With the Royals at 5 crore 50, 575 says Royal Challengers. All done then and selling then last chance to the Royal Challengers at 5 crore and 75 lakh. Sold to RCB. We do have an RTM option. Let us ask LSG if they would like to exercise that. No, they would not. The player will stay. Krunal Pandya will stay with the Royal Challengers at 5 crore 75 lakh. Well done. Our next player is going to be 109. This is Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Anybody else coming in? 220 LSG comes in, 240 MI comes back, 260, 280 Mumbai, 3 crore is here. 950, 975 Mumbai Indians. At 10 crore 75 now, RCB comes in. At 10 crore and 75 lakh. Going once to RCB and twice to RCB. Last chance and selling. RCB, it's yours at 10 crore and 75 lakh. Thank you. Next up, we have Swapnil Singh. 35 lakh. Delhi Capitals comes in at 35.
50 lakhs.
50 lakh. 50 lakh, say Delhi. RCB says yes. At 50 lakh then, Swapnil Singh will go to the Royal Challengers at 50 lakh. Sold there at 50. Thank you. Our next player up is going to be Tim David from Australia at 220, 240 Hyderabad, 260 Bangalore. At 260 now with RCB. 280 they say. At 280, 3 crore. RCB comes back at 3. SRH is out. At 3 crore then for Tim David, I will sell to the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Fair warning then. And selling Bangalore for you at 3 crore. For you, RCB at 3. Our next player up is going to be Romario Shepherd from the West Indies. And we can open here at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Please, do I have an opening bid of 1 crore 50? Thank you, RCB. At 1 crore 50, RCB has bid. At 1 crore 50, do I have anybody coming in ahead of them? At 1 crore 50 now, it's with the Royal Challengers at 1 crore 50. All done, all through, ahead of everybody else. Selling to Royal Challengers Bangalore, ahead of everybody else. Last chance if you'd like to place a bid. And selling far back of the room then to RCB at 1 crore 50 lakh. RCB, that's yours at 1 crore 50. Our next player up is going to be Nuwan Tushara from Sri Lanka. 85, thank you SRH. At 85, 90 says RCB. 95 SRH. Thank you Royals, 150. Indeed, 1 crore 60. RCB comes in at 1 crore 60. Done. At 1 crore 60, the bid is still with the Royal Challengers now. At 1 crore and 60 lakh, do I have anybody coming in? Fair warning for everybody else. At 1 crore and 60 lakh. RCB sold to you then at 1 crore and 60 lakh. Thank you. Our next player up is 270. This is Manoj Bandage. 30 lakh RCB. Thank you. At 30 lakh RCB's bid. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of them? To the Royal Challengers Bangalore at 30 lakh. Yours at 30 lakh. Thank you, RCB. Next up is number 306. This is Jacob Bethel, RCB. 140 is SRH. At 140, 150 RCB, 160 SRH. 260 RCB. Fair warning for everyone else and selling for the Royal Challengers at 2 crore and 60 lakh. RCB, that's yours at 2 crore 60. Thank you so much, Jacob Bethel. Our first player up is going to be number 17. This is Devdutt Padikkal. Thank you so much. RCB has it at 2 crore now. At 2 crore, do I have anybody else coming in ahead of RCB? 2 crore RCB, it comes to you. Devdutt Padikkal comes to RCB. Thank you so much. Swastik Chikara. There we go, RCB. Thank you. RCB comes in at 30 lakh. 30 lakh is bid, far back of the room. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead? All through then. And Bengaluru, it's yours at 30 lakh. Swastik Chikara comes to you. Player, this is Lungisani Ngidi, South Africa as well. And let's open here at 1 crore, please. Thank you, RCB. 1 crore coming in right away from RCB. Ahead of everybody else now. And selling to you at 1 crore. For you, RCB. Thank you so much. Number 401, Abhinandan Singh. Thank you, Royal Challengers once again comes in at 30 lakh. We have the Royal Challengers. Anybody else coming in ahead of them and selling to you, RCB, at 30 lakh. Sold at 30 lakh to RCB. Thank you so much. This is Mohit Rathi. RCB comes in at 30 lakh. Thank you so much. At 30 lakh now, it's with RCB. Anybody else coming in ahead of RCB at 30 lakh. Selling to RCB at 30 lakh. Thank you all very, very much.